Today I will show you how to reduce background noise using Audacity. Audacity is a great free audio player and a powerful sound editing program. For background noise, I used an electric shaver which had a frequency around 126 Hz. Your background noise could be a computer fan, an air conditioner, or another appliance.
Reduce background noise using Audacity.
With no noise reduction, background noise is about minus 30 dB. Use mouse to select a section of background noise. Under Effect, select Noise Reduction. Select Get Noise Profile. Highlight audio tracks with a double click or Control A. Select Noise Reduction again. Settings left as default and I pressed OK. I will play audio track with 12 dB noise reduction.
Reduce background noise using Audacity.
Background noise is minus 36 dB. By selecting Undo Noise Reduction, the noise lines get thicker. Again, under Effect, scroll down to Noise Reduction. I will type in Noise Reduction 24 dB and press OK. Playing with 24 dB noise reduction.
Reduce background noise using Audacity.
Background noise is now minus 54 dB. If your background noise is at a low volume, you may be satisfied with the default 12 dB noise reduction. I hope you found this Audacity sound tutorial helpful. Look in comments below this online video for YouTube links to my other sound-related videos.